Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of the trinomial square displayed on the screen for given values of a, b, and c. Find the equivalent polynomial of ax squared minus bx minus c in parentheses squared for a equals -2, b equals a plus 1, and c equals a minus 1. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for trinomial square a plus b plus c in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. In order for me to use the formula, I need to write the trinomial as ax squared plus, in parentheses, minus bx plus, in parentheses, minus c, in square parentheses, squared. This way, ax squared corresponds to the a in the formula, minus bx corresponds to the b in the formula, and minus c corresponds to the c in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to ax squared in parentheses squared plus negative bx in parentheses squared plus negative c in parentheses squared plus 2 times ax squared multiplied by negative bx plus 2 times ax squared multiplied by negative c plus 2 times negative bx multiplied by negative c. When I simplify further, this equals to a squared x to the 4th power plus b squared x squared plus c squared minus 2ab x cubed minus 2ac x squared plus 2bc x. As a next step, I need to substitute a, b, and c with their values. First, I need to find the value of b for given a equals to -2. b equals to -2 plus 1, or b equals to -1. c equals to a minus 1, or c equals to -2 minus 1, or c equals to -3. So as a next step, I need to substitute a with -2, b with -1, and c with -3. When I do that, this equals to -2 squared x cubed plus -1 squared x squared plus -3 squared minus 2 times -2 multiplied by -1 x cubed minus 2 times -2 multiplied by -3 x squared plus 2 times -1 multiplied by -3 times x. When I simplify further, this equals to 4x to the 4th power plus x squared plus 9 minus 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 6x. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Such terms are x squared and -12x squared. And when I write this polynomial in a standard form, it equals to 4x to the 4th power minus 4x to the 3rd power minus 11 x squared plus 6x plus 9. I can't simplify further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.